Hello! In this video, I would like to show you how you can edit your profile. It is located here in the top right corner of your screen. So I can click here on Olga and Preferences and Edit Profile. You can see that I have already filled most of the fields here. So I have my name, last name, email address, and these are all obligatory fields, so you have to fill them. You can select the way you want your email address to be displayed, either only to the course members, or you can choose two other options. So you can hide it completely, or you can allow everyone to see it. I choose the default option, allow course members to see my email address. Then I filled in the town, my country, very important, my time zone, and I added the description. As you can see, I already have my picture here uploaded. So you scroll down and don't forget to hit Update Profile button at the bottom of the screen. So this is done. And you can also manage your badges from the same place. So you can see badges here, and I click on Manage Badges. You can see that I already have one badge. Good. And this is for updating my profile, actually. If you have some external badges, so from other websites, you can connect them using a backpack. But since I don't have any external badges, I just skip this step, and this is done for me. So to see how my profile looks, I just go here again, and this is my page. So this is my page. Okay, this is all for today. Thank you.